Hey guys, how are you? Today we're gonna look at some embellishments made using the Fancy Free collection by Paige Evans. It's a gorgeous collection that I got from Tuesday morning. Beautiful colors, spring, love the beautiful colors. So let's get started. So that's the collection. First, I made a basic traveler's notebook. The measurement is just get an 8 by 8 piece of paper, and then you score it in half, and it gives you like an 8 by 4, and then I staple it with a long arm stapler, and then that's it. You just use the gorgeous paper, and then I fussy cut all those flowers. Oh my gosh, they are so gorgeous. Love the colors. And they're so vibrant. You can use it anywhere when you go traveling, if you want to journal, if you want to make lists. The world is your oyster. I also use my favorite Tim Holtz word stickers or word phrases stickers. And then I'm just flipping through these, and beautiful colors. I love those. And those flowers are just leftovers, so I fussy cut them, and whatever's left over I put in the book, the traveler's notebook. I think here I'm looking for a word that I can use to embellish that simple flower. Made it really cute. It makes you want to journal, or it makes you want to put some pictures and scrapbook. I love these colors. You can use it in spring, you can use it in summer vacation. You can kind of use it for anything, like for any lists or anything that you would like. So I'm putting a little bit of a sticker right there. And then voila, your page is gorgeous and simple. So we're gonna do a close-up on this one. Just nice. Lots of space for journaling. That's what I fussy cut right there. And they had 2 pages, so I was able to get a lot of flowers using this collection. And I always go through this Tim Holtz sticker collection. I get it at Joann's, and I use a 40% off coupon, and it lasts you a long time. So that is the end. I just stamped a little handcrafted by me and put my signature in there. Now we're gonna get through the next part. So these are packages. So this is like a page flag. Like I put on a stick, and then I put some sentiments on there, and I've already packaged it using the paper and put a bag topper using a doily, simple doily. And then I made I used some scraps. This one is like a mini envelope, and I use a We Are Memory Keepers envelope punch. This one is a scalloped mini envelope using a Stampin' Up die. So as you can see, it's just using a doily, simple, and a scrap paper and a flower, and this one is using a paper bow. Super nice. Just a tiny rosette. I put the flower, put the sentiment, done. And then these bow punch, these paper bows are using the Stampin' Up bow punch, which is my absolute favorite. Gorgeous, super easy to make. I'm just putting a little bit of sentiment to jazz it a little up. Perfect. It's ready to give to your pen pal or your crafty friends. This is a big rosette that I used. It has a lot of dimension. Here's another doily. So folded the doily in half, got the flower, put the leaves, and I think I'm looking for a sticker. Yes, I am. There you go, simple, ready to go. All you need is a bag, and you can give this away. You can put treats in these bags for Mother's Day, for like, thank you for being my friend kind of reason. Also, this is one of my favorite, using the venti die punch. I think it's from Stampin' Up. Absolutely gorgeous. It's a great part of your stash. This one is an old Sizzix mini folder die. Awesome. Just scraps, put a little bit of sentiments. Here's another mini envelope with a paper bow. These are great investments if you want to invest in these crafting tools. Awesome to do, and you can use it with any paper collection that you may have. Here's another one that has 3 bows, a rosette with a fussy cut flower, and I think I used enamel dots on that one. So I'm gonna put a little bit of sentiment to jazz it all up. Because the Tim Holtz word stickers totally matches with the center, the black center and the flowers, I think it really works specifically. It works very well with this collection. This is a rosette. I bought this crepe paper from Hobby Lobby, tried to do that. This one is another one. I think this one has a mini folder that's already inside there. Yep, right there. And that's one leftover leaf. I think I have 1 flower and 1 leaf left over. Here's another cup that I cut like a die from Stampin' Up. Put it in there to give away. Here's another cup, super cute and simple. Jazz it up with a paper bow. This one I think it's called a matchbook. And then I just stapled it, so folded the paper, just scrapbook, folded it and put some tabs in it. So I think I only put 4 pages in there, but it's enough to, you know, if you want to put in notes, make some notes on what you want to do next. Jazzed it up with the flower. And that's pretty much it for the collection. I still have a lot of paper left over, but I hope this gave you a little bit of inspiration to get some crafting done. Use your stash. I hope you like my video. Please click, subscribe,